exactly as it is here. It is complete and working set of macqueen for the line following. Give it to the students exactly as it is. They just click on either of the edit buttons and it'll open it up in the editing space here as they've been working in. They will need to save it in their own area, but this should work for simple things. And I've got no problem with that because it's their first robot and they have to get it working and to follow some lines. What that actually means is this is what the macqueen robot looks like. Here it is here with the microbit put into it. That's the microbit there. You'll also need to change the batteries. They go flat after about 4 or 5 weeks, so change them. But to have a look at what it's like here, this is the macqueen following the line. What you want to do is start the kids off with the code that's given to them as it is, get the macqueens working, and try and follow a simple, just set up some tracks that are simple curves like that. You see, a macqueen will do that. Once most people have successfully got that going, and remember, if the Year 7 still need them, the actual microbit just plugs out of the macqueen and the Year 7 can still use it. But for these guys here, first lessons is get them going on the gentle curves over here. Once that's going, go for some 90-degree curves, and once they've got that going, go for an intersection. At that point there, they'll have to actually put a new code in, change this code. It's about doing the code as fast as you can, but if they try and change it to be too fast, it will not follow the line. So they'll get points, they have a certain amount of time, the fastest to get across 10 tiles will win. So start off with the easy ones. They'll have to figure out which things they change and they'll have to write down an explanation. I changed this and it had this effect. So it's all about taking this exact working code and tweaking it to make it a bit faster and then thinking, hang on, now I'm in trouble. How do I solve this intersection? What's going to happen when an intersection and things like that? So you start off with an easy track after about the first 2 weeks. It's a very simple track to see how it's going, and then go through more complicated ones and have a final race in a very difficult track. Who can go the fastest, more points, more time, etc.